There's a very simple and easy way to make sure that your website ranks on Google and that it's more user friendly to customers. And that's by making sure that your images have alt text. All alt text is a description of whatever your image is. And so first I'm going to share with you how you can add this in Shopify and then just briefly break down why alt text is so important. So if you, let's say you're on your home page of your Shopify website, all you want to do is come to where it says content. You want to click on content and then look for the files tab here. The files is going to show all the various files on your Shopify website, whether it's images, whether it's videos, or things of that nature. All you want to do is select an image. So for this case, let's select one of our icons here. When you select an icon or select an image style, you're going to see a pop-up share like this. And on the right side, you're going to have all the information about this image. Here is where we want to add our alt text. So for this example, all we will type in is Facebook icon like this, right? Just save that, and then now our alt text is saved. So it's very easy to do this in Shopify. But why is adding alt text so important? So there's three main ways. The first reason is for customers who might be using screen readers. So if they're using any sort of assistive technology to shop on your website, they may be using a screen reader. Maybe they have vision issues and the screen reader will read to them the title of the product, or maybe it will describe the product to them, right? So the screen readers use this alt text to relay that information to the customer. But if you don't have this alt text set up, when the customer is shopping on your page and the screen reader is looking to read the alt text, but there's no alt text, now the customer can't shop because they don't understand enough about the product. And if they come in contact with this a couple of times, more than likely they're just going to leave and go to another website. So that's the number one, or that's the first reason why adding this alt text is so important. The next reason why it's important is because having this alt text helps with SEO. So when Google is crawling your website to get a good understanding of what it is that your website offers and how people who may be searching for something similar can benefit from what you offer, is going to use this alt text as one of the methods to crawl your website. So you want to make sure that you have this alt text set up so that way Google can crawl your website effectively, so your SEO is not affected, and so you can rank on Google. And the third reason why this is so important is because, let's say for whatever reason the customer doesn't have good service. So when they're loading your website, some of the images don't load. I'm sure you've seen that icon that comes up when you don't have good service and you load an image and the image doesn't come up. But if you have alt text set up, right, then instead of just having that icon, you can have a description about your product, and you have that inside. You have that set up here on Shopify, so that way, if your customers don't have good service and for one reason or another your website isn't loading properly, at least all the images on your website will have a description there, so the shopping experience shouldn't be affected too bad. And usually this is a short-term thing, so when they have internet, then they'll see the image. But again, if for some reason they can't see the image, at least they will have that description there. So those are the three main reasons why, with regards to assistive technology like screen readers, with regards to SEO, and then in regards to loading issues. So again, this is a quick video to share with you how you can add alt text to your images in Shopify. If you need help setting this up, maybe you have a lot of images or you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out and I'll be more than happy to help you out or answer any questions that you may have. All my information is down below if you have any questions. But once again, I do hope this video was helpful. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.